If you're considering Brand24, there are a few crucial things you need to know before committing. I'll break it all down for you, and trust me, you won't want to miss these insights. Whether you're new to Brand24 or comparing it to other tools like Mention or Hootsuite, this guide will help you make the right choice. First, let's talk about ease of use. One of the things that sets Brand24 apart from its competitors is its simple, intuitive dashboard. While tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social can be overwhelming with their long list of features, Brand24 keeps it straightforward. You'll find everything you need right on the home screen, whether you're tracking mentions, analyzing sentiment, or digging into influencer impact. Next, Brand24's real-time monitoring feature is a game changer. Unlike tools like Mention, which can sometimes delay alerts, Brand24 provides almost immediate updates when your brand is mentioned online. This means you can stay on top of trends, track competitor movements, and manage your brand reputation as things happen, not hours later. The third thing you need to know is Brand24's sentiment analysis. This tool automatically detects the tone of mentions, giving you a quick snapshot of how people are talking about your brand. Compared to alternatives like BuzzSumo, Brand24 offers more in-depth sentiment analysis, breaking down positive, negative, and neutral mentions in a way that helps you make better decisions faster. Moving on, let's discuss Brand24's influencer tracking. If you're trying to identify key influencers in your niche, Brand24 makes it incredibly easy. You can see who's driving the most engagement in relation to your brand, which is something that tools like Mention and Brandwatch struggle to deliver. Knowing your most valuable influencers can help you develop stronger partnerships and campaigns. Another feature to keep in mind is Brand24's reporting capabilities. Unlike some competitors that offer limited static reports, Brand24 allows you to create fully customizable reports. Whether you want a daily summary or an in-depth monthly analysis, you have full control. Plus, you can easily share reports with your team or clients, making collaboration a breeze. The sixth thing to consider is the price. Brand24 is often more affordable than competitors like Sprout Social, which can be very pricey for smaller businesses. For those just starting to track their brand, mentions, and reputation, Brand24 offers solid functionality at a fraction of the cost. This makes it an excellent option for businesses on a budget without compromising on quality. Finally, let's talk about the integrations. Brand24 integrates with a wide variety of platforms, including Slack, Zapier, and Google Analytics. This means you can streamline your workflow and use the tool in combination with the other software you already rely on. While tools like Hootsuite do offer integrations, Brand24 makes it easy to connect with the apps that matter most to you. If you're considering giving Brand24 a try, don't forget that you can test it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. By using that link, you'll also gain access to exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, now you know the 7 things you should consider before purchasing Brand24. Whether you're new to social listening or just looking for a more efficient solution, Brand24 is a great choice. Again, check out the link in the description to start your free trial and experience these features for yourself.